Hello again. So here's the 4 series you'll have to memorize. Let's take one of them and derive something new. So we'll take cosine, and we'll see what happens when we plug in x cubed and then multiply by x squared. So I'll start with the cosine series, start with this guy. And starting at 0, negative 1 to the n, x to the 2n over 2n factorial. And then I'll do a substitution. X is going to be replaced with x cubed. I'll do that first. And I will get well, I'm going to have x cubed, and then I'm going to have 2n on there. So it'll be x to the 6n over 2n factorial. And then I will multiply by this x squared here. And that'll just change the exponent here, adding a plus 2 there. And just for fun, let's try to write down the first 4 non-zero terms for this guy. So we're going to start with the n equals 0 term. So we'll have the n equals 0 term, which will be this becomes a 1, this becomes x squared, and we get 0 factorial, which we define to be 1. Next one will be negative. Because it'll be negative 1 to the 1. And then we get x to the 8 over 2 factorial. And then we get plus, looks like x to the 14 over 4 factorial minus x to the 20 over 6 factorial. So this is n equals 0, n equals 1, n equals 2, n equals 3. And of course this continues, so we should put a little ... there. So in general, if you're looking for the Maclaurin series, you should give this form here. It's called a closed form, nice and compact. But sometimes we may be interested in, say, writing down explicitly the first 4 terms or so.